Hi students, we are back on your favorite learning platform Learn Forward and we are going to study from Feather Cap People and Places. This is class 2, chapter number 16, Road Safety. So, while walking on the road, you might have heard your parents saying that you should walk slowly, you should not run on the road, you should not play on the roads. So, in the towns and the cities, the roads are quite busy. There is a lot of traffic on the roads. बहुत ज़्यादा busy roads होती है cities और towns में, बहुत ज़्यादा traffic होता है. So we should not play on it. उसके ऊपर खेलना नहीं चाहिए roads पे, ना भागना चाहिए, ना इधर उधर आपको कुछ भी करना चाहिए. Otherwise you can get yourself injured, right? So in this chapter we are going to learn about some safety rules we should follow and some habits which we should adopt to get ourselves safe from the road accident. So I hope you are all ready with your books and pencils. Let's start. We go out on the road every day. Most of the villages have kacha roads. So हम roads बाहर निकलते हैं. We have to go to school. We have to go to park to play. We have a lot of place to visit. So इसलिए we should take care of ourselves. And there in some villages still have कच्चा roads. कच्चा roads कौन सी होती हैं? जो मेटल नहीं होती, मिट्टी की बनी होती हैं, जो बहुत जल्दी खराब हो जाती हैं. So in the villages, the kacha roads are like this. There is not much traffic on these roads. In roads पे ज़्यादा traffic नहीं होता. So they are safe for the people going on foot. So पैदल चलने के लिए the people who travel on foot or who go on foot from one place to another, it is safe. The roads in the towns and cities are pakka roads. So you have seen these kinds of roads. These are your pakka roads. You can find these kinds of roads in the towns and cities. There is heavy traffic on these roads. So you can see a lot of traffic on these roads, on the pakka roads. So it is not easy to cross them. So इन्हें cross करना आसान नहीं है as the traffic moves in a very high speed. Accidents take place on the busy roads. So a lot of accidents take place on the busy road. To be safe on the road, we must follow some rules. So, road पे safe रहने के लिए we have to adopt some rules, follow some rules. What are those? First, never go out alone. कभी भी बाहर अकेले नहीं जाना चाहिए. Always go with an elder and hold their hand. So, we should always go with the elder. किसी बड़े के साथ हमेशा जाओ and always hold their hand. उनका हाथ पकड़ के cross करो. Now, walk on the footpath. So every pakka roads have the footpath on it. हमेशा footpath पे walk करो. And if there is no footpath, keep close to the left side of the road. और अगर by chance footpath नहीं है, so you should move on the left side of the road. Now wait for the traffic to stop before crossing a road. Traffic को ही रुकने की wait करो. If you want to cross the road very carefully at the zebra crossing और road को zebra crossing के ऊपर से ही cross करो. Before crossing the road, look right, left and then right again. Cross only when the road is clear. Cross करने से पहले you should look at left, then right. You should look at right, then left और फिर से right देखो. और जब road clear है, उसे तभी ही cross करना चाहिए. Walk steadily, never run on the road. आराम से चलो, जल्दी नहीं करो. कभी भी road पर भागना नहीं चाहिए. Follow the light signals on the crossings. जब crossings पे light signals होते हैं, traffic lights, we know there are 3 lights, red, yellow and green. Red is stop, yellow is ready and green is go. So जो traffic signals हैं उस पे आपको wait करना चाहिए. जब red होती है you should stop and when the light is green you should move. So stop when light is red and go ahead when it turns green. Never play on the road. कभी road पे खेलो मत. Accidents may happen. It can cause accident. Now, at busy crossings, a policeman controls the traffic. He can stop the traffic or let it go on. So, जो busy crossings होती हैं, जहाँ पर बहुत ज़्यादा traffic होता है, उन roads पे कौन होता है? You will find a policeman. So, he manage the traffic. वो stop भी कर सकते हैं और आपको जाने भी दे सकते हैं. तो जब वो stop करते हैं, he raise his hand in the air. That means stop. And he gives a signal when he wants the traffic to move like this. So move when he gives a signal to go ahead. और जब वो signal देंगे तब आपको चलना चाहिए. Also follow these rules. First, while waiting for your school bus, wait in a queue. जब भी आप school bus की wait कर रहे हो, हमेशा queue में wait करो, line में wait करो. Get in when your turns come in. और हमेशा तभी अंदर जाओ जब आपकी turn आए. Second, get to the bus one by one. हमेशा बस में एक एक करके चढ़ो. अगर आप भागोगे, rush करोगे, so you will get injured. Do not try to get or get off on the moving bus. Get मतलब जब बस मूव कर रही हो, चल रही हो, ना तो उस पे चढ़ो ना उससे उतरो. Do not put your hands or head or hand out of the window of the bus. So when the bus is moving, do not put your hand or head out of the window. You may get injured or you can also meet an accident. Now assess yourself. A, take the correct answer. First is most of the villages have. So we have learned that the most of the villages have kacha roads. Stop when the light is dash. So red color is for stopping. So red, stop when the light is red. Third, we should wait for a school bus in a dash. We should wait for a school bus in a queue. Now fill in the blanks with the given words. We must walk on the dash. We must walk on the footpath is the right answer. Footpath. Now wait for the dash to stop before crossing a road. किसका wait करना चाहिए? Wait for the light to stop now. Follow the dash signals on the crossing. So follow our traffic signals. Never dash on the road, never play on the road. At busy dash, policeman controls the traffic. At busy crossing, policeman control the traffic. So I'm going to write crossings here. There is a less space there. So the answer for the fifth one is your crossings. Now write true or false. First, villages roads are not safe. No, villages roads are safer than the roads in the towns and cities. So this is false. Second, the roads in big cities are busy. So yes, that is true. They are busy. Now, while walking along the road, we should keep to the left. Rest. If you are walking along the road, you should keep to the left side. We should cross the road at the zebra crossing. Yes, that is also correct. We should get into our school bus one by one. Yes, we should wait in a queue and get into the bus one by one. Answer the following questions. First one is why are roads in cities not safe? So, the roads in the cities have a lot of traffic. The roads in the towns and cities are pakka roads. There is heavy traffic on these roads, so it is not easy to cross them. So, that is why roads in the cities are not safe. So, you can write these 3 points in your answer number 1. Now, question number 2. Where should you walk if there is no footpath? If there is no footpath, we should always walk on the left side of the road. So, left side is your answer. You should write the whole sentence. What should you do before crossing the road? If you are crossing the road, you should check right side and left side, then again right side before crossing the road. Now, why does a policeman stand at a road crossing? So, many roads have the heavy traffic, so to control the traffic, the policeman stand at the road crossings. Question number 5, how should you wait for your school bus? So, we should always wait in a queue for our school bus. Now, write any 5 safety rules you should follow when crossing a road. So, you can write a lot, there are a lot of rules which we have studied. You can write any rules starting from here till here. You can write any of these rules, any 5 rules in answer E. So, we have completed the chapter. I hope everything was clear. If you have any problem, you can see it again. Thank you so much. Happy learning.